Hey YouTube! Welcome back to another review here, a beer review at Thomas Opent. It's another English review from that Dutch guy who is a bit full of himself and likes to chat about beer way too much, usually way too long. Most of my reviews, basically all of my reviews are of course Dutch because like I just said, I'm Dutch. But every now and then, about every other week, I'd like to post an English review. I said before that I'm going to try and keep most of those English reviews about Dutch beers because there's lots of stuff out there here in the Netherlands that you guys can't get in, for example, the UK, America, but maybe, I don't know, even Brazil or Russia, whoever's watching this. And this time I'm straying from that because what we have here is a Polish craft beer. It's from Deer Beer Brewery. From Torun with hops. It's their Let's Cook Mango Gose. As you can see, Let's Cook. This is definitely inspired by Breaking Bad. I know that there is a normal Let's Cook Gose, which I never had. Actually, this is my first beer from this brewery, and I figured let's go Polish. It's if I wanted to, I could drive to Poland in a day. Never done that, but I could. It's a long trip, but I could. And I figured, why not? I mean, I don't know how available these things are in, for example, the UK or America, but there you go. Polish craft beer. I mean, I guess the Polish beer, the idea about Polish beers is mostly that these things are cheap lagers of high alcohol sometimes, you know, get drunk very fast. But really, though, Poland has been growing a lot when it comes to craft beer. There's some great stuff coming from them. And I haven't reviewed a Polish beer yet, so I figured I should change that. And we're going to do that right now. About the beer itself, so I can't read everything that's on here. Let's Cook Mango Gose. Some stuff is in English, some is in Polish. What will happen if we add an exotic mango to a slightly sour and salty Gose? The combination of these three flavors, sweet, sour, and salty, will be a very pleasant surprise. It's 4.6% in alcohol. Allergens, malted barley, and wheat malt. So we figured that. I figured that was going to be wheat in here. It doesn't say anything about the type of acid used to acidity. Type of yeast used to create that soury flavor. But I'm guessing it's going to be a lactose acid, which I'm probably butchering the name of right now, but you know, you guys know what I mean. The reason I just roll it out a little bit, a lot of these Goses can have a little bit of a sediment in the bottle, and I really do want to get everything in there as much as I can. It's half a liter, so I'm using a very, 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 very big glass here, which has a little bit of dirty glass mafia going on. I can already tell that, but you know, whatever. Not really expecting a lot of head to retain on this beer. Oh my god, I actually just cleaned this glass, and it is so incredibly dirty. So I apologize about that. But like I said, I really wasn't expecting a lot of head to retain anyway. As you can see, this thing looks like mango juice. That's mango juice. That doesn't look like beer at all right now, except that, of course, like I said, the glass is so incredibly dirty. Oh my god, I feel horrible about that one. But whatever, fuck it. So no head retention at all. Let's just go straight to the nose and see what we get here. Okay. So yeah, sure, you get that mango, you get that fruity, but the thing is, what you really smell straight away is you get a little bit of a sort of a soury, nearly briny quality to the nose. You do get that saltiness in the nose straight away. Wow. Yeah. That's got a bit of a punch to it. There's almost a sort of spice quality to it, like sometimes you get those chili beers, and you smell them, and you can get that little prickling in the back of your nose, that little tingling, prickling sensation that makes you go, ooh, is that chili? I almost get that here. There's also a certain sharpness to mango sometimes, so maybe that's part of what I'm getting here. Yeah, that smells amazing. I love that smell already. That's so to recap that, it's definitely there's a sourness in the nose. There's that minerally saline, briny like saltiness in there. There's definitely the mango fruitiness. I was expecting a little bit of that lactose, soury, milk sour, sort of like yogurty smell. Not getting that just yet. Which could mean that they're used some other form of acidity to create that. Some other form of acidity. Right now, words failing. But I think you know what I mean. The way they also sour Berliner Weisses to get that sort of yogurty sourness into it. That lactose bacteria. That thing. Not getting that here. Let's see what she's got in the taste. Cheers. Oh, wow. Ooh. Holy shit. Okay, so definitely mango. You get that mango fleshy sort of, like I said, that sort of sharpness from the mango. You get that. It's lovely. It gives almost a sort of spice quality to it. There is that salinity again. There's definitely acidity. It's not nearly as acid as I thought it was going to be. It's actually a very low, soft. The bottle says sourness 4 out of 5 on a rating. No, definitely not. It's much milder than that. But it is there. It's got this lovely, refreshing, sour little sharpness cutting right through that salinity and really balancing both out. It's not puckering. Both of them, they both balance and cancel each other in a way. It's pretty freaking great. That's nice. I mean, I'm loving that. Mouthfeel. Look, this is a 4.6% beer, so it's not going to be creamy AF, but the wheat malt used definitely creates more body than you otherwise would get if it was only barley malt. So there is a soft creaminess to it, a soft, like the way when you're eating a mango, it does coat your tongue, your mouth a little bit. This really does taste like purified mango with a little bit salt sprinkled over it. Man, I'm loving this. This is fantastic. It was a pretty cheap beer as well. I think it was like €4, maybe, something like that. I have to look it up. But man, that's killer. That is amazing. That is great stuff. That is, wow. I'm not going to bullshit my way through this and say that it's an incredibly complex beer. It isn't. It really isn't. It just does what it says on the label. Sour, salt, sweet. This would be a great, great beer with Asian cooking, Asian food. A lot of those. The best Asian food has spice, sweet, sour, salty, that umami, tangy. Everything is represented in a good Asian meal. And this would be a great accomplishment to like a good stir fry, where you get all those flavors in there. This would be great with that. This would be amazing. Or just, you know, on a lazy warm Sunday afternoon, where you just want to sip a beer slowly. That's refreshing and invigorating almost. I mean, it's pretty damn early while I'm reviewing this because I got a few reviews to do today. It's not 8 o'clock in the morning or anything like that, but it is pretty early in the day. And this is amazing. This is almost like wake-up juice. It's wake-up juice. That's what it is. It's freaking fantastic. It's freaking fantastic. I've had my coffee, I've had my breakfast and everything. It's nearing 12 o'clock now. But this is waking me up way more than any coffee could. It's fantastic, and with such a low ABV. Oh my god, that's fantastic. I'm giving it a 4 out of 5. That's a 4 out of 5 on the Untapped scale, because that really is that good. You need to love the style. You need to love that salinity. You need to love that salty, tangy flavor. Doesn't have a very long finish, but that's nice for a beer like this as well. You know, because you keep going, small sip after sip. It's 500 milliliters, so you know, there you go. That's great. I love this. I love this. I need more of this in my life. Dear beers, let's cook. Mango Gose, 4 out of 5 on the Untapped scale. That's it. Review done. Wow, I'm enjoying this. I'm going to enjoy this for a little bit more. Yeah, that was that. That was another review done. Subscribe yourself to the channel, like the video, spread the word if you're like, hey man, to your beer buddies, I got this great new reviewer. He's on YouTube. Just check him out. I'm nearing my 100th review. My God, this is weird. This is going to be number 98, and I'm nearing number 100. So I'm trying to do my thing here, but really 100. Spread the word, guys. You can follow me on my other social media. You find the links in the subscription box under the video. You'll find my links to my Untapped, my Instagram account, my Facebook page, where you can find beers that I do drink. I got some stuff to say about them, but I don't actually review them. And that was it for this review. And I'll see you guys next time. Until then, cheers.